Boys, you want to do one more time? Get a sundae? You want to say?
Just us guys.
Okay, really easy.
That's five. Sunday.
One, two, three, four.
We can get Sunday.
Oh, okay, they don't want a sundae.
Now you do it.
Us two will do it. Us two will do it.
Stop fire.
Nah.
Brendan. Come on
You guys want a sundae? Nah.
here. Do we get a flake?
Oh, if you guys do this, you get a flake. But wait.
You said
But wait.
Sunday.
Nah, I said a flake. But what's going to make it easy for you guys to do this? What's going to make it easy for you guys to do this?
Okay.
Now look, you and Ozzy are going next to each other. You can't do that.
Someone told me. Look.
I'll grab his hand. Okay.
So now everyone's going to say.
No, don't go to that. I got Pi's hand.
Don't go like
I
that.
got Brendan's hand. I got his hand. I got my hand. I got Brendan's hand. Brendan, grab my hand. I got your other hand.
So wait a minute. Who have we got? We've got Ozzy, Paya, Corey, Brendan, Chad, and Jake all going for a flake.
No, Sunday. Flake. You said Sunday. Oh yeah, man. Flake.
Jake, what do you think, Corey?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah, there's no spare egg.
Hey, no fire.
Wait, let's all start. Okay.
Okay.
I grab fire.
No. What you do is you. Okay, go. You go. You suss it out.
Fire. I'll grab Brendan.
And then we got.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
All right, ready, set, go.
Yep. Yep, move your hand down.
You got across like that. And then now you go across. Go under. And then bang it from behind. And then go back in.
Hey!
You said Sunday.
Okay.
You said Sunday.
Flake, buddy.
You said Sunday.
Flake, buddy. I said if the whole group done it.
Nah, stuff the whole group. No, you said if the whole.
But you guys done really well, though. You guys done really well.
No.
What?
You said if the whole group did it, we get a flake. Then when us boys came along, you go, come do it if you want to get a Sunday.
Nah, I said the whole group did it on a Sunday. But what I want to say to you is that what made it easy for you as the group to do that? Because you guys just got faster and faster and
we're
faster.
going to get a Sunday.
Oh, so the Sunday motivated you?
Yeah, pretty much.
So there wasn't actually any skills involved
Oh,
or?
yeah, in that. But
What were the skills then?
so teamwork and listen to each other properly.
What made it easier for you to do it faster? Ice cream.